Welcome back to my channel Mis.Medicine. This is the quick review of General Surgery Part 2. Topic: Acute pancreatitis. Most common cause gallstones. Investigation which can cause acute pancreatitis is ERCP. Grey Turner sign, blue red purple or green brown discoloration due to catabolism of hemoglobin. Diagnosis: fecal fat estimation. CT scan is the diagnostic modality. Best prognosis: gallstone pancreatitis. Recurrent pancreatitis occurs in methylmalonic acidemia. Conditions with raised serum amylase is pancreatitis, renal failure and ruptured ectopic pregnancy, etc. Next topic: pancreatic carcinoma. Most consistent risk factor: cigarette smoking. Most common site: pancreatic head 70%. Most common symptom: weight loss and pain. Next topic is gastrinoma, ZES. Most common site: duodenum, non-beta cell tumor, neuroendocrine tumor, NET secreting gastrin. Most important investigation: secretin injection test. Drug of choice for ZES: PPI, proton pump inhibitors. Hepatic metastasis occurs 33%. Next topic: insulinoma. Most common endocrine tumors of pancreas from beta cells, usually single. Whipple's triad is seen, distributed equally throughout pancreas. Total capsule removal is ensured to prevent tumor recurrence. Next topic: splenic trauma. Characteristic sign of splenic rupture: Kehr's sign, referred pain in left shoulder. Kehr's sign may also be seen in diaphragmatic lesions, hemoperitoneum, etc. X-ray features of splenic injury: obliteration of splenic shadow, obliteration of psoas shadow, elevation of left diaphragm. Next topic: splenectomy, done in hereditary spherocytosis, portal hypertension and hypersplenism, etc. Splenectomy is not done in hereditary hemolytic anemia, porphyria, etc. Splenectomy increases risk for pneumococcal infections, H. influenza infections, etc. Next topic: portal vein, formed behind neck of pancreas by union of splenic vein and superior mesenteric vein. Portal hypertension more than 10 mm mercury. Sites of portosystemic anastomosis: rectum and anal canal, hemorrhoids, lower end of esophagus, varices, etc. Next topic: amoebic liver abscess. Most common site: right lobe, posterior superior surface, encovasous pus, chocolate colored pus due to RBC lysis. Complication of amoebic liver abscess: pleuropulmonary involvement and rupture into pleural space, etc. Next topic: pyogenic liver abscess, usually single and large. Most common route of infection: infection through bile duct. Hematogenous route is second most common route. Most common organism is E. coli. Next topic: hydrated disease. ELISA is sensitive. No role of blood culture. Crumbled egg appearance. Pear technique is used for management. Percutaneous aspiration, injection of scolicidal agent, reaspiration of cyst contents. Most effective drug: albendazole. Next topic: hepatocellular carcinoma. Predisposing factors: hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus, alcoholic liver disease, etc. Commonest marker for hepatocellular carcinoma is alpha fetoprotein. Other markers: neurotensin, PIVK2. Imaging modality for screening hepatocellular carcinoma is ultrasound. Percutaneous biopsy, ultrasound, CT guided can be diagnostic. Next topic: cholelithiasis. Pigment stones, chronic hemolysis, alcoholic cirrhosis, chronic biliary tract infection, etc. Complications of gallstones: acute and chronic cholecystitis, carcinoma of gallbladder, acute pancreatitis, gallstone ileus, acute intestinal obstruction, etc. CBD stone, most common cause of obstructive jaundice. On ultrasound, bile duct diameter of more than 6 mm is suggestive of CBD stone, meniscus sign, cholangiography. Next topic, renal calculi. Most common stones, calcium stones, 75 to 85%. Radiolucent stones, uric acid. Stones most common in men, calcium. Renal calculi overlie spine in lateral view. Dieter's crisis, renal colic, swelling in loin, and disappearance of swelling with micturition. Pain in ureteric calculi is due to ureteric peristalsis. Stones most common in females, struvite stones. Stones most common in UTI with urease producing bacteria, Proteus species, struvite stones. Stone which grows in alkaline urine is struvite stones. Stone which grow in infected urine, struvite stone. Stone hard to break in ESWL, cystine stones. Next topic, urinary bladder carcinoma. Most common type, transitional cell carcinoma. Pure squamous carcinoma may be seen in schistomiasis, stones, smoking, etc. Most common symptom, painless hematuria. Vaccine used in initial stages, trial, BCG, intravesical. Next topic, urethra. Most common cause of urethral stricture trauma. Part of urethra injured in pelvic fracture, membranous urethra. Mechanism of urethral injury, fall astride a projecting object. History of blow to perineum. Triad of ruptured bulbar urethra, avoid catheterization. Retention of urine, perineal hematoma, and bleeding from external urinary meatus. Next topic, posterior urethral wall, usually found distal to the verimontanum, occurs in males. Most common cause of urinary obstruction in male infant. Diagnosis is done by VCUG and endoscopy. Next topic, testicular carcinoma, bilateral in 10% of cases. Abdominal cryptorchid testes are at higher risk as compared to inguinal cryptorchid testes. Testicular feminization syndrome increases the risk of testicular germ cell tumor. Most common carcinoma of testis in young is seminoma. Most common carcinoma in elderly is lymphoma. Most common carcinoma in infants is yolk sac tumor. Next topic, seminoma. Radiosensitive corresponds to dysgerminoma of ovary and treatment of choice is surgery. Next topic, hypospadias. Hooded prepuce, meatal stenosis, bifid scrotum. Best time of surgery is 6 to 10 months of age. Next topic, incomplete descent of testis. Complication, malignant change even if the testes have been brought down surgically. Best time to operate, 9 to 15 months of age. Next topic, prostate gland. Carcinoma arises from peripheral zone. BPH arises from periurethral zone. Most common complication of TURP, retrograde ejaculation. Irrigation fluid used in TURP, 1.5 glycine. Drowsiness and altered sensorium after TURP may point toward hyponatremia. Next topic, prostatic cancer. Most common zone refers to carcinoma zone. Earliest marker screening test, PSA. Most common nodes to be affected in lymphatic spread, obturator. Metastasis to vertebra is via Bateson's vertebral venous plexus. Gleason staging is used. Most sensitive test for screening of prostate carcinoma is digital rectal examination and PSA. Next is most commons about carcinoma. Most common esophageal carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma. Most common site of adenocarcinoma, lower end. Most common site of squamous cell carcinoma, middle third. Most common site of pancreatic tumor, pancreatic head. Most common symptom of pancreatic carcinoma, pain and weight loss. Most common type of rectal carcinoma, adenocarcinoma. Most common type of anal carcinoma, epidermoid carcinoma. Next and the last quick review, which include DNB and NEET PG questions. Initial investigation for breast lump, FNAC, thyroid tumor associated with Mantoux syndrome, medullary carcinoma, thyroid, bilateral breast carcinoma, lobular, vascular malformation which persists, portwine stain, most common cause of abdominal aortic aneurysm, atherosclerosis, clinical sign indicative of deep venous thrombosis, Homan sign, gold standard method of diagnosing varicose veins, duplex ultrasound, sign associated with arteriovenous fistula, Nicola Downey, Branham sign, mode of healing in clean incised wound, primary intention, most common site of keloid sternum, most common site of basal cell carcinoma, face, most common soft tissue tumor in a child, rhabdomyosarcoma, most common benign parotid gland tumor, pleomorphic adenoma, treatment of pleomorphic adenoma, superficial parotidectomy, cause of POD orange, lymphatic permeation, treatment of choice for cystic hygroma excision, retention cyst of sublingual gland is known as ranula, thyroid carcinoma which may secrete calcitonin, medullary carcinoma, corkscrew appearance of esophagus on barium swallow is seen in diffuse esophageal spasm, X-ray appearance of achalasia cardia, bird beak appearance, tumor associated with Barrett's esophagus, adenocarcinoma of esophagus, most common type of esophageal carcinoma, squamous carcinoma, most common site of gastric carcinoma, antrum and pylorus, GIT ulcers seen in severe burns, Curling's ulcer, most common malignant tumor of appendix, agantaphyinoma, carcinoid tumor, source of bleeding in duodenal ulcer, gastroduodenal artery, Meckel's diverticulum arises from antimesenteric border, most common site of colorectal carcinoma, rectum, most common cause of acute pancreatitis, gallstones, most common site of pancreatic carcinoma, head of the pancreas, most common site of gastrinoma, duodenum, Whipple's triad is seen in insulinoma, most common cause of overwhelming post-splenectomy infections, Streptococcus pneumoniae, union of superior mesenteric and splenic vein forms portal vein, and Covesso's pus is seen in amoebic liver abscess. Pear technique is used in the management of echinococcosis. Most common marker for hepatocellular carcinoma is alpha-fetoprotein. Subtype of hepatocellular carcinoma carrying best prognosis is fibrolamellar variety. Most common cause of obstructive jaundice, CBD stone. Stone which grows in alkaline urine is true white. Most common type of renal cell carcinoma, clear cell carcinoma. Schistosomiasis may predispose to squamous type of urinary bladder carcinoma. Thimble bladder is suggestive of renal TB. Most common cause of urinary obstruction in male infant is posterior urethral valves. Most common carcinoma of the testis in young age group, seminoma. Prostatic carcinoma arises from peripheral zone. Metastasis of prostatic carcinoma to vertebra is through Batteson's vertebral venous plexus. Triad of pain, jaundice and melena is seen in hemobilia. Most common endocrine tumor of pancreas, insulinoma. Management of annular pancreas, duodenojejunostomy, duodenostomy. Thank you.